Here we take 1 kg chicken with skin, 3 cups of buttermilk, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, mixed herbs, degi mirch powder, white pepper powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder. Now we will start the preparation of our marination. Let's pour in 3 cups of buttermilk into a pan. We will take a pan because we want our chicken to be submerged in the marination properly. We will put in 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, white pepper powder 1 tablespoon, one tablespoon coriander powder, one tablespoon garam masala powder, one tablespoon cumin seed powder, and 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs. Here mixed herb is generally which we use for pasta and pizza, so it is very readily available in the market. Add in some hot sauce. This is also very commonly available in any superstores. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon, finally salt to taste. Give it a mix properly. Put the chicken pieces in the marination and keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours. Now we are ready for our second step, marination. After 3 hours, we will take mixed herb, paprika powder, white pepper powder, garlic powder, onion powder, corn flour and Maida. Now we will start preparation for our flour marination, for which we will take 250 grams of maida, add in 4 tablespoons of corn flour, add in 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, Add 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs. Add 1 tablespoon of white pepper powder. Onion and garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Salt to taste. Give it a good mix. We have to mix it properly so that there is no lumps in it. Now we will take out our marinated chicken from last 3 hours, which has been marinated very properly. Now we will give a good dust with the marinated flour. We will make sure it is well coated with the flour marination. Now this is ready. We will put it aside. Now it is time for our final marination. We need 5 eggs, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper powder, mixed herbs, paprika powder, and salt to taste. Now our final marination goes 5 eggs. Break in 5 eggs in a bowl, mix all the ingredients as mentioned, give it a whisk, and now it is ready. We will take the chicken pieces, give it a proper dip in the egg marination, and we will dust it with the flour marination which we made it earlier. Now let's repeat the procedure with the other chicken pieces as well. Give it an egg dip and dust it with the flour marination. Now our chicken pieces are ready to be fried. We will take a kadai with oil and heat it over medium flame till the oil is really hot. Slowly put in the chicken pieces, let it get fried up very nicely and let it become very crispy. Turn it over and you'll see golden color fried chicken is ready to be served. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.